Let's run native Windows version of Ollama. First, we check the version that we have on this computer is 0.1.27, and then we list the models that we have, and then we kick off the command to do the Mistral 7B. We can see that the throughput is 6.3 cc tokens per second. The next, we are going to do the question answer, which is Llama 2, Llama 2 7B first. Okay, we can see that the throughput is 6.502 tokens per second. The next is Llama 2 13B. Okay, we can see that the throughput is 3.518 for Llama 2 13B. So the next we're going to test is Lava for the vision to image. The throughput is 6.572 tokens per second. The next is Lava 13B. Okay, we can see that there is 3.622 tokens per second. That's all. Thank you.